How's it going? What's the difference between a $2,500 mortgage or a $2,500 rent? 25. My name is Todd, Uzzell Mortgage, and these are some of the exercises we go through to try to help people understand where the money goes, where the value is. Go ahead and start here at Zillow. Let me take Buckeye away there. Let me go to price and max. We're going to say 2,500 again. 2,600 is what they'll let us do, so 2,600. Can apply that. And let's scroll over here to get a better idea. Let's do home type, because we're assuming we're going to be buying houses, not living in apartments or townhomes. Apply to lock in those numbers. House for rent, Cotton Lane, that's out west. Let's scroll in here. 2x2. Most people are looking for a 3-2. Let me X that out. Let's make that easier for us. 3 beds. Let's do 3 beds. 1.5 bath is okay, depending. This is way out west. Click on this. Let's see what this house looks like for us. Looks like a nice place. Check the photos. All redone, more or less. Nice neighborhood. Looks like condo style. That's what I'm thinking. Looks like a bit of a condo there. 1 to 3 beds. Let's go closer to town. I live on the east side, so this is the middle of the town here. So 3 bed, 2 bath, house for rent. 24th Street. Let's take a look. That's a house. Nice house. Looks like it's older. I should show more. 2,500 bucks. So it's going to get you a nice house, 1,500 square feet. Let's see what $2,500 gets us on the buy side. I already put the math in here. So I'm assuming an FHA loan. It could be conventional, but those numbers would be pretty similar. So at a 7% rate, $310,000 house, 3.5% down. Standard property taxes of 0.6% of the value of the home. Typical mortgage insurance for FHA, and about $125 a month for, let's fix that, for homeowners insurance. That puts us at a payment of $24.96. And if we went to like $325, this would go up to about $26.25. So between $310 and $325 is going to put us right in that $2,600 range. And then back over here, let's see if there's anything available. That's a tough price point in the Phoenix market. If you have looked at all, you probably are aware, but maximum, we'll say $350 because the other option isn't there, and minimum $200 grand. This is the area we were looking at. 2 bed, 1 bath, 800 square feet, $325, and I imagine there's an HOA there. Now, for the same price we would go and rent, we're going to be paying less house. It's going to be ours, which is nice, and the appreciation rate here in the Phoenix area is probably 3 to 5%. So it's always nice to own a home, and over time it will benefit you more than renting, more or less. But it's just an interesting exercise to think about. Some of this is 55 and over. So 39th Lane in Phoenix, I would say this is comparable to the house we were looking at. So it's pretty positive that you can buy for about what you can rent for. If the blue circle will ever stop circling, we're going to find out. But it's tricky. If you need to live in a certain area, then that's a different conversation. It's got some solar here. Looks like maybe a cul-de-sac. That's always cool. 2,000 square feet, starter home. Bottom line is, you can buy for what you can rent for. And if you dial up that rent price a little bit to $3,000, $400,000 range. In Phoenix, there are homes between $250,000 and $300,000, $350,000. Just got to look and qualified, see how it goes. So if you are interested in getting qualified or have any questions, my name is Todd Uzzell. I'll drop the application link in the description here, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.